I found these are so pretty for $5. And this one for 12 bucks. Look it. It's so beautiful. Me gustó para the front door of my mother-in-law. Me gustó para la puerta de mi suegra. Look at how beautiful. I really like that. That looks really nice. Les voy a enseñar todo lo que compré. But isn't this cute? So this is another sign. $10. Nice rug. Really nice. Let me lay it down. Good size too for my door. Can't wait to get home and set this up. I found this one for $10. Be our guest. I found this one for $5. Perfect for barbecue. Para las cucharas, las toallitas, everything from Dollar General. It's really nice. Another thing I found was this plate or tray. It's there for $5. That one's also nice for decor. My last find for my future laundry room. This one was $5. Of course, Mia se agarró unos guarachitos. $5, guys. A ver cuánto le duran. My find. Nice, huh? And the price that's right up there. Welcome to my channel. That's what Mia's saying. Dile, please like and subscribe.
Please like it and subscribe.
Okay, so today we're gonna decorate a little bit my front porch. It's a different day. It's not the same day. So you guys seen my haul in the beginning of this video. I went to Dollar General y compré a doormat, another white mat, a tray, and then I bought in my haul donde lo puse, the doormat and my white mat, but to show you guys what I did it, and galvanized tray. But yeah, let's get this started. I'm gonna show you guys. Tengo esta mesita aquí next to my door. I've been wanting to paint it, so you probably see me painting. Lo voy a pintar blanco. Y bien tengo ganas de pintar mi door. I have a dog and she always scratched the door already. But ya le hace falta una pintadita. Ahorita tengo temporal. My futon is temporary there. I've been wanting to get rid of it, but we haven't had time to take it to the dump. But those pillows, I didn't know what to do, so I just took them out, and I guess for now this is what I'm gonna deal with. Sooner I'll be getting rid of that. So let's get started. So as you can see, aquí está mi traviesita haciendo sus travesuras. Le dije que se iba a ensuciar, so she goes back inside. siempre quería una red door, and as soon as we bought this house like 4 years ago, that was my first thing. I painted my red door that I always wanted, porque yo siempre renté casa and apartments, so no puedes pintar nada. And now I got over it, so I'm painting my door white. Well, it's like a grayish white tone, but I love it. It came out really nice. Okay guys, so I'm done. I did like 2 coats, pero ya que esté completamente seco, and I'll probably go with a 3rd coat. Now I'm drinking cucumbers with water. Bien fancy. I'm dusting off all those spider webs and sweeping, getting all the dirt out. Guys, I found this plant at Costco. It was only $29. The frame was a housewarming gift from our realtor Olga. That wooden sign, I custom made those. Okay guys, so I'm taking out the rug. Mia forgot that puppy. I put him away. So this is the rug I got at Dollar General for $10, guys. That's a good deal. Okay, so we are done cleaning, huh, Mia? And painting.
And painting.
We're done what?
Done. Mama is done.
I am done. I am done painting my door. And what else was I painting?
Little table.
The little table. What are we gonna tell the people out there? Thank you.
Thank you
For
watching.
watching. Yay! Ow! Dile, please don't forget.
Please don't forget
To subscribe
to subscribe
our channel.
on our channel.
Hit the like button.
Like button.
Yeah. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Guys, I love how everything turned out. It looks very nice and clean, simple. Like, I'm in love. And this is the tray I bought at Dollar General for $5. That galvanized tray. It looks nice, right? And this is the rug I purchased at Dollar General for $10, guys. Thanks for watching.